In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly manage your website's content. Whether you're looking to enhance your web page with fresh material, modify existing blocks, or remove pages altogether, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, you're going to want to navigate to the web page you'd like to adjust. Once you're there, glance up to the top left corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the Edit button. Give it a click, and you'll be ready to start making changes. You'll notice as you hover your cursor over the various sections of your page that an Add Section option pops up either above or below your current content. This handy feature lets you expand your page seamlessly. Decide whether you'd like to insert a blank section that allows total creative freedom, or select from a range of pre-built layouts to give you a quick start. Once you've inserted the section, it's time to bring it to life by clicking on Add Block. Here, your options multiply. Consider adding text for detailed descriptions, images for visual appeal, or buttons that lead your users to other essential areas of your site. Pick the content block that best fits your needs, and either click or drag it into your chosen section on the page. Don't forget to solidify your changes by heading back to the top right corner and clicking Save. This action is crucial as it ensures the world can see all the effort you've put into your page updates. If editing existing content is your aim, let's go through how that's done. Begin with the page you're looking to tweak and initiate the editing process by clicking Edit. Next, move your cursor over the content block that needs modification. Clicking on it will call up a toolbar. Look for the pencil icon. This is your ticket to engage with the block editor. Within this editor, you can change things up. Whether it's reformatting text, swapping out an image, or simply updating a button link, this is the place for those details. To adjust your layout, click and drag blocks to new positions, or resize them by dragging the sides or corners. When satisfied with your modifications, remember to save your work to implement these changes. Finally, let's tackle deleting an entire page. Start from your home menu. Here, you'll click on Pages, where a list of all your site's pages is displayed. Find the page you no longer need, hover over it, and a trash can icon will appear. A click on this icon means you're ready to delete. Rest assured, even after confirming the deletion, there's still a safety net. The page will move to the Deleted Pages folder for 30 days, giving you a chance to restore it if necessary. And there you have it, the essential guide to managing your website content with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!